Master data types in MySQL, your ultimate guide. Ever wondered how databases keep your data neat and tidy? It's all about data types. Let's dive into MySQL's world of data types. First up, numeric data types. Imagine storing whole numbers with precision. That's where INT, small int, tiny int, and big int come in handy. INT and integer hold typical whole numbers, about 4 bytes each. Need smaller storage? Small int uses just 2 bytes, and tiny int even less, just 1 byte. For colossal numbers? Big int's got your back with 8 bytes. Perfect when you're counting billions or beyond. When money's involved, you want exactness. Decimal and numeric types keep your currency calculations on point. No rounding errors here. But what if you need to store values that aren't exact? Float and double handle approximate numbers, think scientific data or measurements. Next up, date and time data types. Need to log birthdays, events, or timestamps? MySQL's got a lineup just for that. Date stores only dates in the YY MMDD format. Perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or deadlines. Want to track the exact moment? DateTime combines date and time, down to the second, like the 1st of June 2024, 1430. Timestamp is your go-to for tracking changes. It records when data was last updated. Handy for backups or logs. Time stores just time values. Great for opening hours or scheduling reminders without dates attached. Year is for storing just the year. Think vintage wines or model years for cars. Onwards to string data types. Whether you're storing names, emails, or paragraphs, MySQL organizes them perfectly. Char is a fixed-length string. If you say char 10, you always get 10 characters, handy for consistent formats. VARCHAR is more flexible. It stores variable length strings up to your specified size, saving space when your text varies. For big chunks of text, like blog posts or comments, use text types. Tiny text, medium text, and long text scale up for longer content. Binary data. Think images or files. Binary and verbinary store fixed or variable binary info, perfect for raw bytes. Need to save large binary files? Blobs to the rescue. From tiny to long tiny blob through long blob handle your images or multimedia. Bonus round. Spatial data types store geographic info like points and lines. Perfect if you're building maps or location apps. Choosing the right data type is like picking the right tool for the job. It saves storage, boosts speed, and keeps your data accurate. So next time you design a MySQL table, remember, your choice in data types shapes your whole database's performance. Ready to level up your MySQL skills? Start experimenting with different data types and see the magic happen. Like this MySQL guide? Hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips that actually make sense.